was gonna skip statistics and take Calc 3, but that would be stupid. Something's missing, I can feel it. Just a feeling I've gotten. Like something's about to happen, but I don't know what. But if we get Mrs. Laux, we'll be in trouble. Very big trouble. And if she says bananas as you say, I'm not taking any chances. Stats is just what Miss Laux was.
I'm beginning to feel like a stats guy. All of my tests from the front to the back now. Now who think they can start the test out the P not. Just remember to show what is the no. But for me to start a test, I must say so. I got the 4-step process in my back pocket. Gotta start by saying what we have gotten. Gotta tell them all what we wanna find. Gotta write the 2 hypotheses, 1 null and 1 alternative, and then define the variable P naught. Then check the conditions, but as hard and tough as that may seem, if you don't do it, then I get a 1. Slickety gibbity P hat. You don't wanna get into an argument with the AP stats when the conditions are random, independent, normal. Those 3 are important at the exact same time. I'll still be writing the conditions down while in practice, and I'll still be able to get 105 on the AP examination. And boast of my friend, we realized it was 12 noon and forgotten how to check the normal condition. How could I forget? All I gotta do is multiply. N times P, N times 1 minus P, gotta be greater than 10. If that's good, then you don't have to worry, cause you studied for AP stats, man. Stayed up till 2 to wreck the exam. I'm beginning to feel like a stats guy. All of my tests from the front to the back now. Now who thinks they can start the test without the P not. Just remember, that's not the only test that you've got. Come with me, I'll show you the steps to stats immortality that I have got. But be careful with means, cause means mean T's. And Z for P, it's easy. Just remember which one's proportions, which one's means.
Syntax.
APs get taken at school with these lyrics, cause we use these to remember the right kind. Ever thought there was more to it? We've got linear regression, and chi-square goodness a fit with chi-square homogeneity with independence, pendant with all these tools in our AP stats book. We're in the position to get that 5 in the FRQ and MC section. Stats Hall of Fame, even though I walk into stats, I forget the notation. Only notation you'll ever need is liner conditions, then write t-test. You chat think stats is a game, they fall on your face. This stuff is easy. Tell me why you still choking on the AP t-test looking boy. Why you still trying to do a t-test looking boy? You know the population sigma and you still trying to do a t-test looking boy. Oh no, the sigma's known, that's what they say, looking boy. When you get the population standard deviation in the problem, use it, looking boy. Hey, looking boy, what you say, looking boy? I got this tax from Laux, looking boy. Use the sigma that they give and don't use the T, looking boy. Hey, looking boy, remember to be capable of using the right test, looking boy, cause I'm beginning to feel like a stats guy. All of my tests from the front to the back now. But wait, I'm cracking the AP test like a walnut. Don't distract me from my test, I ain't too hot. Even before Mrs. Laux taught me statistics, I was a god. Cause you be throwing naked numbers round like you from calculus. Let off the derivatives, we in here to be statisticians, and I should get back to it. I wanna learn more tests and do well on my final test and go on to make that banking. I don't want no watermelons, I wanna learn chi-square test, but I'm the stats guy, man. I forgot I am the answer to every question. It's me. My statistics are brutal, but it's honestly futile if I can't use my statistic skill very good at least once in a while. So I want to make sure I find some scratch paper and write out enough lines to answer the question in context of the problem. But I gotta keep a few test lines just in case I forget to check the conditions. AP graders looking at me like it's AP time. I know there was a time where once got an E and a 1, but I still tried like I had a chance. So I Z tested and I T tested and I chi-square goodness a fit test. Up here in the bedroom of mine, you get all the work done, put more time. I almost gave up hope, but then I found the light at the end of the tunnel. Then I took a coffee and tried again, and I tried again, and I tried again. Put them all in a line, gotta stay low, 2505, wrote them all out one more time. Seems like the work I put in has come to fruition, and I'm getting into statistics, going realistic. And you're still stuck off the starboard since God knows when though, and I don't know what in the world you trying to go for when you can't get your t-test in order. I'ma stop being normal, and I just got my chi-square genius from all that work that I put in a month ago. Cause when you asked for my help, I couldn't help but help you with your problemos. Man, oh man, you've got a lot to learn, so let me help you with that. So let's go back to the bedroom the very next day. Miss Laux, we got it. Stats coming at you with supersonic speed.
JJ Laux.
Stats lama doing lama you never done a system that makes the first possible begin with sitting the test and check the conditions are met. Liner for the work, t-test and random or independent. TNC test by the style, cause you still need to check the conditions for chi-square test. Those are random, independent, and that's supposed to answer 5. And then you go to write the equation, then you plug the numbers in, find your test out, find your p-val, draw a graph and compare the p to the alpha level. Then you write a sentence or summarize your findings. Oh, that's so easy. Well, that's how you feel when you get stats and when you do it. It's not too hard, it's not boring like other try classes. With a little knowledge, you can go and persevere through it.
I don't know how to do tests like that. I don't know what test to use.
Let me know how it goes when you don't do anything for stats and try to go through. It's only easy when I'm walking you through. How many exams I gotta show to you? Prove that if you were half as smart as you say, your test wouldn't be failing you, huh? Calc AB, Calc BC, but look at the algebra that you're missing. Derivatives are pretty easy. I keep telling myself that all I need to do is take the integral, but I'm still missing something. With naked numbers everywhere, I'ma fail statistics right now. I'm scared, so Mrs. Laux, take the test and help me with all these conditions in here. Still not happy, cause in my head there's something I can feel saying retreat. Stats is crying out loud, and here's what it wants from me. It's asking me to eliminate some of the mistakes that I made when I was sitting for the last statistics test. But if you think again about the stuff you had to write, then you understand that you know everything. Stats is hand in your test, answer the question. But if you can't battle the concepts, how am I supposed to make no mistake? Mistakes on the AP are mistakes that are crazy. If you listen to this song and got it, then take a vacation to a class abroad. Don't go and fall on your face, and don't be a king, be a god? Think not. Why be a god when you could be Miss Laux?